Any last words?
Bitcoin to the moon.
Bitcoin.
Oh, you look Boxmining?
Yeah, that guy, that weird guy. I'm here with Austin and Aaron from Altcoin Daily.
Awesome to be here, Michael. Legend in the space, sir.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All right, so I just landed in Singapore, and this is the first party I'm going to, and we're going to a yacht party. So this is like the docks here. Whoa. So yeah, I don't know what to expect so far. I mean, I'm just feeling the nice vibes, the positive vibes today. So it's pretty nice. So we're with our good friend Aaron. How are you, Aaron?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How are you?
Good. I think the last time we saw each other was all the way in Bali, 2019-ish area.
Yeah, a long time ago. It's great to reconnect here. Now, it's funny how when the bull market comes back, everyone just comes back together again, right? The bear market don't see each other. Here we are, yeah.
Yeah, and I feel like there's a lot of excitement here. I mean, I just got off the flight. I feel like I see the people here. It's like, wow, the energy level is just off the roof. And what do you think? Like,
the energy level is crazy. What was it, like 20,000 people at Token2049, 700 side events, including this one that we're on right now, the #1 KOL event in Singapore.
It's crazy.
So yeah, it's great to have you with us, man.
Nice. And what do you think of climate right now? I mean, you say, okay, you think we're in a bull market, but you know the market's going down a little bit. What do you think?
Oh, I'm just like, this is the last chance saloon to like get your money in before the big balloon. That's what I think. Like, you know, I would be getting into really solid projects right now. You know, I'd be exploring. I mean, I'm really bullish on Sui. I'm really bullish on Base, obviously, and Ton. I know Base doesn't have its own coin, but you need to be checking out the ecosystem projects in those areas. And yeah, you know, like obviously AI, gaming. You know, to be honest, it's
everything. You're like all
obvious. Like,
right.
Just spread your bets. Real world assets. Yeah, Mantra's looking good. Yeah, I'm very bullish on Mantra. And
they're just going up non-stop, really.
It's funny, right? Because I actually had $800 in Mantra in my OKX account, like in the bear market, and I thought, oh, it's dead. Just never looked at it again.
Just leave the account. Don't worry. Just
leave the account like a month ago. It's 50 grand. Let's go.
Let's go.
I'll pay for this party. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So I guess that's the difference, right? Like the people who are around for a long time, we don't really get phased out too much. It's just like life goes on and things goes up. But then I think the people who really freak out are the ones who are just new in the space. I think that's
It's super annoying, right? Because like, you keep having to tell them, they're like, oh, the price has gone down. And you're like, well, yeah, it goes down, it goes up. I always say the sun goes down, the sun goes up. That's like my famous saying. Because like, who cares? You don't scream when the sun goes down when it comes up. It's just how it is. That's how the market goes. Like, who cares? If you have true belief, like we obviously do, then obviously it's a buying opportunity. And honestly, I actually get like more scared when the price goes up. I get like FOMO. When the price goes down, I feel calm, you know, and that's the difference.
That's why you're calm. I can see the calmness.
That and the wine, yeah.
All right, so one last question here. So if you're to buy one coin, all right, what would you buy right now?
Superverse.
Superverse? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Elio Trades project. 100% all in.
Excellent. All right, guys, good? So I'm here with Austin and Aaron from Altcoin Daily, guys.
Awesome to be here, Michael. Legend in the space, sir.
Yeah, and you guys look so alike. It's like, it's uncanny.
We're twins.
Yeah, but like slight height difference though.
Aaron's tall.
Is he like wearing like heels or platforms or?
We're not exactly alike.
We used to look exactly alike. There are some differences, but you know, guys, props to Boxmining. I used to watch him before we started the channel.
You used to watch me?
No, I'm saying like he was an inspiration starting the channel. Still watch him, and you know, I set up my first ledger with his tutorial video. So
nice. Did you do the part where you have to send me the keys?
Exactly. I'm still waiting for my money.
But how's everything going? Like, how's Singapore so far?
Singapore's awesome. We were here last year for Token2049.
Yeah, okay.
So that was our freshman year. Back here sophomore year.
Nice.
And
what are you gonna do different this time?
Well, we did all the touristy things last year in Singapore, so now we're going to travel to other areas of Southeast Asia and check it out.
Oh shit, really? Nice. There's a lot to check out here. And how do you find the energy here?
Oh, Singapore is like, there's very few places that have the energy and just, I don't know, just the je ne sais quoi that Singapore has, so it's really nice.
I think Singapore is a tech hub, and then Token2049 is a tech and business hub, and Token2049 is the biggest crypto conference in Asia, so the energy is great.
This is great. And how about the markets? I mean, the markets are moving down a little bit. I mean, I'm sure you guys are making a channel, and like some people are down. What do you have to say to them?
To me, you know, this is the uncertainty period. The presidential election in the U.S. as well as the Fed pivot. Is there going to be a sell the new situation? To me, for the Bitcoin 4-year cycle, which I've always been a believer in, 2025 has always been the 4th year. So expect volatility into next year.
And here's the thing. This is why they say it's not timing the market, it's timing the market. Bitcoin's been at like 58K for 6 months, and people are bearish and mad. 58K, this was basically last cycle's all-time high. Like things are pretty good, and we're forming like a hell of a launch pad.
It's quite crazy, right? Because like I've been making videos like since like Bitcoin was like what, like a few thousand. I'm like, guys, it's gonna go up, and I'm like, nah, it's dead. Don't worry about it. But you know, I hope you guys have fun. I hope we'll see you guys more, and we just party together. I think that's the way to do it.
Great to hang with you, man.
And it's awesome to see the way your channel is growing, and you know what you're doing. You know, years ago he would have asked us, "What's your top altcoins?" Now he's asking us, you know, how's Singapore? So you know, things are maturing. We're getting bigger and better.
Totally.
Peace. All right, love it, guys. So first thing I noticed about Token this year is it's much bigger. The entrance way, yet they moved it way back, and they have a huge room to do security checks because I guess everyone was jumping the gate last year. You know, like now they have these wristbands, so they have the wristband and the ticket in order to get in. You can't, you can't swap tickets out anymore. I know the security is much more intense. It's like the guys everywhere trying to catch the people getting free tickets. Yeah, I mean. And I guess the reason why is because there's just so many people that are interested in crypto. Like there's so many new people. Like you get the feel that a lot of the people are, I guess like class of 2020, kind of 2021. You know, they have the excitement. They want to see the new stuff. They still don't really understand everything about blockchain. Like there's a sense that people still really are exploring, and I think it's due to a lot of the new investors in the space. So it might be in fund managers, it might be family offices, right? They're coming in. That's why you see the people in the suits. Then you have the degens, right? The absolute degens that are the meme coin traders, the NFT guys, whatever. Those guys are just, you know, partying up. So it's I would definitely say it's a vibrant vibe here. All right, see now this is a security checkpoint. You have to go and snake around the line. It's just a lot more. It's a lot more here. Hey Miffy, you distract him and I'll grab the stuff. Okay. No, I'll try. Okay. No, I'm just filming a skit. Sorry. We're like, you distract him and we'll grab securities. Sweep that shit. This video is brought to you by Bybit. So Bybit is one of the leading exchanges right now for trading anything from your coins on the spot market, or if you're aggressive and you want to be a professional trader, you can do the futures market, which has a really good liquidity. It's probably one of the best right now at this current point. Right now, if you register, you get a bonus here. So we actually have a super special bonus for every viewer on this channel. And on top of that, I would actually recommend you do it now rather than later, because as this market increases and as things get more exciting, the process gets like longer and longer as time goes on. So get your accounts early, sign up for Bybit now. All right, so we're here with Ian from Ledger.
Hey there.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm loving it.
You're loving it. I love your energy. I love your energy. How do you find the conference so far?
I have been just telling people about Ledger Flex and Ledger Stacks all day long. I'll tell you what happens. People walk up to the table and I say, have you seen the new Ledgers? And they're like, no, I wanted to. And then we have a conversation about it. And it's been amazing, to be honest with you.
Yeah, it's been great actually. Like you have them new here.
Yeah, so here's the Flex. And here's the Stacks.
Dude, they come a long way.
Thank you.
I think it's different when you see them in person because like it's a screen, it's an e-ink screen, right?
Yeah,
so it feels like paper.
The screen is really beautiful. Here, this is a demo unit I can log in for us.
Yep.
And you see how it works, and
it's amazing.
You know, I mean, from a user interface perspective, you know, for a new user, there's nothing better.
I've been making Ledger videos since like 7 years ago. So we did the first Ledger Nano S video, like,
wow,
and you know, like that time was like a primitive USB, right? And I guess it sounds like we sound like the old guys, like you know, like, back in our day, we only had like 2 buttons. Now you have a touchscreen.
Yeah, no, it's really true. But the security and the security model is largely the same, right? So Ledger is the only operating system and open development environment on top of a smart card on the planet. It's actually a fundamentally different architecture than any other hardware
So is it
wallet.
still based on the old, like the Bolos, 2 operating systems, and then
Exactly.
like
So you
the
have-
secure
you have-
chip module inside, yeah?
Exactly. So you have our operating system running on top of the secure element. So then you can build applications, whether that's an application for Bitcoin or an application for any other blockchain, but also things like we now have the security key app for 2FA and passkeys. You could even develop enterprise security applications on top of the platform.
Got it.
And then you have the security of the same chip that's in your passport or your credit card, but you're using that chip to generate your private key, to do the cryptographic operations when you sign a transaction.
So the security is the same, but now you got a much better, more modern interface.
Well, and that's the magic trick, powering this high fidelity touchscreen with the same chip that's in your credit card, right? There's not a coprocessor in here. There's, everything is actually happening inside the secure element, which isn't true in other hardware wallets.
Got it. What do you find is the most exciting feature about the new ledger?
Look, I think the most exciting feature really is the user experience. I think, but with that you get a number of things. Clear signing is super important. We have an app on here now called Security Key. So, look, there are hundreds of millions of people in crypto. There are 5.4 billion people on the internet. Every single one of those people has a security problem, right? And so with Security Key, that app, it's not a crypto app at all. It's for 2FA and passkeys.
Oh, okay.
So my 2FA on my Twitter, on my Google, on my
everything can be secured by this.
is all here. So a much better.
It's a multifunctional device.
Much
now.
better YubiKey, exactly. And so having that app stack allows you to do things like that. And I mean, and I think what's also most exciting about this is a device that my sister or my mom could use.
Gone are the days when we're like, oh, the first thing we give you is a nerdy USB stick. Now it's like a beautiful
Now the first
device.
thing that you get is this. And not only does it secure your Bitcoin, but it also, I'll log into it. Not only does it secure your Bitcoin, but it also, secures your logins, right? So it's really got immediate use for absolutely, for 5.4 billion people on the planet.
Nice. That's really exciting. I hope everything goes well, and I'm really excited to see try one of these sometime. So yeah, I really want to get my hands on.
Thank you.
Check it
very
out.
much. Thanks for
Peace. All right, thank you, man. Zillionaire, how are you doing, man?
Glad to be here. Glad to be here. Amazing event so far, and
Dude, it's crazier than I thought it would be.
yeah, it's more bigger, like super packed, and looks like we right there at the start of the bull run now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it really does. Cause
I've been watching Boxmining since so long. Great channel, guys. Go follow, subscribe as well.
and like, dude, it's been so long. Like we met in Token2049 in Dubai,
yeah.
and
A lot of other events as well.
yeah, and it's a totally different world now.
100%. Like Dubai Token 2049 was like way smaller. This is like way bigger, like 10x probably bigger.
10x bigger,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
the vibe is very different.
Yeah, different. It's like a big layout as well. 3
Yeah.
floors they have taken.
Yeah.
So you can literally talk and walk here. Dubai was like packed, crowded.
why it's
This
fucked
is
up.
great. If you guys are not here, don't forget to come next year, Token 2049.
So, okay, let me ask you a question about narratives.
Yeah.
There's so many narratives here. So what narrative are you most excited for?
Most excited for AI to be honest, but looks like this meme cycle is not gonna end. So this
Yes.
year looks like we are in a meme super cycle.
Yes.
The cycle is happening, is ending, and then starting again.
I don't think it's a cycle though. I feel like I see the people play memes, they're always gonna play memes. I don't think they'll want to
That's why I called it a super cycle.
Yeah, yeah.
It's gonna come again and again.
Yeah, or it just never ends. It just
Because now people are
it's
so
it's a flat. It's a flat line.
Now the thing is, in crypto, people want to wake up 6 a.m. and want to be a billionaire by 7 a.m. before even they have breakfast. So the meme is the only option for them.
Yes, yes.
Good luck,
And
guys. Trade safely.
no one wants to research value. No one wants to research
Nobody. They're just looking for a 100x alpha or something,
Yeah.
and they want to be like a millionaire overnight.
Yeah, and they just want to know when pump, when dump.
100%.
Yeah,
they
that's
just
all
know
I
how
want
to
to
buy
know.
and sell. They don't care about the blockchain. They don't care about anything what they are building.
Exactly, and I think like it's good and bad. I think it's like I need to learn how to move with the times, and I think you're already with the times. So you know.
Yes. And everybody is taking advantage of this meme cycle. And now tap to earn games, Binance is listing memes. Everything is going in the favor of the meme super cycle.
Yes.
So let's see and enjoy it.
Let's enjoy the meme super cycle, guys.
Take care, guys.
Take care. And that is it for the first day. My God, the first day was just so cram-packed with stuff. I met so many different people and did so many different things. As you can see,
I was exhausted. That's why I didn't film the recap on that day. You can probably tell like I was dead tired that week. But it was so good to meet people from the industry, and a lot of times matching faces with people, invaluable experience. And like it's very, very clear that this is the start of something new. Like you can tell by just the scale, the fact that Token2049 is just growing every year, that crypto is just beyond here to stay. Anyways, day 2 is really exciting because we visit the actual venue itself. We talk to different people doing different projects. So stay tuned for day 2. It's gonna come up really soon. We're gonna just pack all the videos together and you're gonna be amazed by what we see there. See you there.